Hello everyone. Today, I want to share my daily routine. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along without difficulty. This story will give you useful words and phrases for everyday life. It is also a simple way to practice English listening and speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. The alarm rings and I turn it off. Sometimes I feel like sleeping a little longer, but I know I must get up. I sit on my bed for a short moment and stretch my arms. Then I stand up and walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth carefully and wash my face with cool water. The cold water helps me feel awake and refreshed. I look in the mirror and smile. On some days, if I have enough time, I also take a quick shower. After that, I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. Most mornings, I eat toast with butter and eggs. Sometimes I choose cereal or a piece of fruit instead. I always drink a hot cup of tea. Green tea is my favorite in the morning because it helps me stay calm and ready for the day ahead. While eating breakfast, I often listen to music or check my phone. I like reading messages from friends or checking the weather for the day. Once I finish breakfast, I go back to my room to choose what to wear. Usually, I put on jeans and a simple shirt. If the weather is cold, I add a sweater. After dressing, I brush my hair and make sure I am ready to go. I check my bag carefully to see if I have everything I need. My phone, keys, and wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes and leave the house, ready to start my day. The bus stop is very close to my home. Just a 5-minute walk. On the way, I see other people waiting too. Everyone is heading to work or school. I usually take the bus to my workplace. The ride takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes the bus is crowded, but I usually manage to find a seat. I like to sit near the window and watch the city go by. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast. Other times I check my phone or simply relax until I arrive. When I reach the office building, I walk inside and say good morning to the security guard. Then I take the elevator to the 3rd floor where my office is located. My work day begins at 9 o'clock. I work in a small office with friendly people. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. The first thing I do is check my emails. After that, I review my schedule for the day. My job keeps me busy, but I enjoy it. I write reports, send emails, and talk to clients. I also attend short meetings with my coworkers. We help each other and work as a team. In the morning, I focused for a few hours. Then at 12:30, It is time for a lunch break. I usually go to the kitchen or the break room. Most of the time I bring food from home like sandwiches, fruit, or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I go outside and buy something small, such as a salad or a sandwich. I eat lunch with my coworkers. We chat about the weather, movies, or weekend plans. It is a nice moment to relax and laugh together. After lunch, I feel more refreshed and ready to continue. I drink some water or make another cup of tea before getting back to my desk. Work usually ends at 5 in the evening. I turn off my computer, pack my bag, and say goodbye to my coworkers. I feel tired but satisfied with what I accomplished during the day. I take the elevator down and leave the office building. Outside, the city feels a little quieter. I walk to the bus stop and wait for my ride home. The bus trip takes about 20 minutes again. Sometimes I look out the window and think about my day. Other times I listen to music or close my eyes to rest. When I get home, I take off my shoes and hang my bag near the door. Then I change into comfortable clothes, usually sweatpants and a soft hoodie. Wearing cozy clothes helps me relax. I go to the living room and sit on the sofa. I rest for about 10 or 15 minutes, stretching my legs and taking deep breaths. Sometimes I turn on the TV and watch a short show. Other times I read a few pages of a book. If I am very tired, I simply sit quietly and enjoy the calm. Around 7 in the evening, I head to the kitchen to prepare dinner. I like cooking simple meals such as pasta with sauce, rice and vegetables, or a fresh salad with bread. While cooking, I often play soft music in the background. Cooking makes me feel peaceful. When dinner is ready, I sit at the table and eat slowly. I try not to look at my phone while eating. Instead, I focus on enjoying the food and the moment. After finishing, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen because I like keeping everything neat. A tidy space helps me feel more relaxed. After dinner, I have some free time. Sometimes I watch a movie or continue a TV series. Sometimes I call a friend or talk with my family. Other evenings I write in my journal or listen to music. My evenings are usually quiet and simple. I like having this time for myself after a long day. It is a chance to rest, think, and appreciate small things. By 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I start preparing for bed. I go to the bathroom first to brush my teeth carefully and wash my face with warm water. It feels pleasant after a busy day. Sometimes I use a little face cream to keep my skin soft. After that, I change into my pajamas, light blue pants, and a cozy t-shirt. I fold the clothes I wore during the day and put them away because I prefer keeping my room organized before sleeping. Then I switch off the bright lights and turn on a small lamp beside my bed. I close the curtains and, if the air is fresh, open the window a little. My room becomes calm and quiet. I sit on my bed and read a few pages of a book. Sometimes I choose a story, and other times I read something that teaches me new ideas. Reading helps my mind relax and slow down before sleep. After reading, I put the book back on the table next to me. For a moment, I sit quietly and think about the day. I ask myself what went well, what made me happy, and what I can improve tomorrow. This short reflection makes me feel calm and positive. Around 10:30, I turn off the lamp. The room becomes dark and peaceful. I lie down, pull the blanket over me, close my eyes, and take a deep breath. I feel thankful for the day. Even if it was busy or not perfect, tomorrow will be a new chance. With that thought, I smile a little and slowly fall asleep. So, what about you? What does your daily routine look like? Do you wake up early? Or do you enjoy sleeping in a little longer? Maybe you love tea in the morning. Or perhaps coffee is your best friend. Share it with me in the comments. I'd really love to know. Did today's story help you practice listening and speaking? Even one new word is a win. So celebrate that. Every small step makes you stronger in English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. It really supports the channel. And of course, hit the subscribe button so you can join me for more real-life English stories and lessons. Every time you come back, you'll find new stories, new ideas, and fresh ways to make English learning simple and fun. So, will you come back for the next video? I hope the answer is Y. ESB. 'Cause I can't wait to see you again. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember you're doing amazing. See you soon.